What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about green Satoshi token, which has pumped up quite a bit in the last 24 hours guys. 75% up, making it just under the 5 cents or over the 4 cents target, shall I say. So as you can see, a major increase here over the last couple of hours. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it if you are on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, where it's likely to go. Is it just going to drop back down in value? Is it going to go higher? And looking at its prediction over the next couple of days, weeks, and overall in 2022, how high or how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is up just about, let's have a look here, nearly 6%, which is quite good guys. So the crypto market is doing quite well today, and obviously GST is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, top of the list guys. So that's what we're going to be focusing on today. In the last hour itself, we managed to gain 34% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 77%, over the week 72%, and over the month 75%. No major changes over the last 3 weeks, all up until the last few hours where it decided to pump up in value quite a bit, and that is where most of the 75% does come from. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 2,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $20 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on GST. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, 73% buy against 27% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which we may use later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we do have the purple line running across the chart, which is a SMA indicator currently valuing GST at 0.02625. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 0.04321, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and looking quite steep as well, looking very, very positive guys. The only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value over the next couple of hours as well. And again, that is not realistic at all, because it's only basing it off the last couple of hours, not historical data at the moment. So guys, I'm not expecting any major increases from GST over the next few hours. In fact, what I am expecting is for it to drop back down in value. We can already see a few red candlesticks appear on the screen right now over the last half an hour to an hour. And again, more red candlesticks are very likely to appear over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by early morning tomorrow, we should be back down to about the 0.035 cents target, somewhere in between there. But very, very likely is going to drop below the 4 cents target. And for those of you asking, is it a good time to invest into GST right now? Personally, I think it's a very, very risky time, especially that, you know, it's pumped up so much in a very short amount of time. It's very likely that it's going to take a little dip. It's going to step back down in value over the next couple of hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, very, very similar. We've got both the blue line and the orange line looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, which once again is not realistic at all, meaning guys, an overall decrease in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days. So let's say by the end of next week, I'm expecting it to drop back down to around the 3 cents target is what my predictions are as of right now. And again, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days. It's going to be up and down, but it's very likely that it's going to slowly and steadily start to drop in value over the coming days, and potentially heading down to around the just below the 3 cents target by the end of next week. Now, Moving on to the daily chart. Now we're not looking as steep as the previous chart. Obviously, we are looking much more realistic. However, at the end here, we can see the blue and the orange line are randomly just ticking up in value, going up in a positive direction. And again, yes, even though I am expecting an increase in value over the coming weeks, so I'm talking about mid to late December. So let's say towards the end of the year, I am expecting an overall increase in value on GST. However, nothing major, nothing too crazy. I'm expecting a minimal increase in value, potentially just about heading to the 5 cents target is what I'm expecting over the coming weeks. But again, guys, this depends on how the crypto market performs, especially how Bitcoin performs, because obviously Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market. Obviously, if we see Bitcoin dropping to 10-15k, we are going to see major drops in the crypto market, including GST. However, if we do see Bitcoin pumping up to about 25, 30, 35k or whatever it is, then yes, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market as well. But anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. However, guys, when I zoom out, as you can see, we are trading at a very low point, guys, meaning there isn't much analysis we can do because we are trading at 4 cents at the moment, just not over 4 cents. And for us to hit the green resistance target, we're going to have to go through a major increase. We're going to have to hit $2.14, which is going to require us to go for about 5, 6, 7,000% increase, which is absolutely crazy. And nothing like that is predicted from GST at the moment. So more than likely, or very likely, shall I say, is that we're going to be trading in the red zone for the next couple of years, guys, at least the next few years. And again, but that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, we should be good to go for the long term. But yeah, as of right now and over the next few years, we are going to be stuck in the red zone because, as you can see, the highest it's ever been to was $9. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on GST. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high or how low do you guys predict GST to go in 2022. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Sorry, bullish and bearish on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a like. And also, before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.